In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portal user in Odoo. We'll begin from the Odoo home screen. First, select your database, and once you're in, go to the main dashboard. This is your starting point for accessing the settings you'll need. From the main dashboard, open Settings. Inside Settings, click into the General Settings tab. As you scroll through this page, make sure to look near the bottom for the Developers option. This area is important because creating and configuring certain user access options may require developer mode to be enabled. Next, click Activate the developer mode. This will unlock some advanced tools and options in Odoo that are not always visible by default. After enabling it, click Save and give the page a moment to reload completely. Waiting for the refresh is important, so all developer features load properly before you continue. Once the page has reloaded, go to Users and Companies. Then click Users. This will open the User Management page, where you can view existing users and create new ones. To add a portal user, click New. Odoo will open a blank user form where you can enter the new user's information. Start by entering the user's name, then enter the user's email address. Make sure the email is accurate, since this is typically used for access and communication within the system. After that, find the role or portal option. This is the key setting for this process. Tick the portal role to assign portal access to the user. A portal user usually has limited access compared to an internal user, which makes this a good option for customers, vendors, or external users who only need to view specific information. Before saving, make sure to check role compatibility. This is an important review step. You want to confirm that the selected access level matches the user's intended purpose and does not conflict with other permissions on the form. Taking a moment to review now can help avoid access issues later. Once everything is set, review the details one more time and then click Save. After saving, return to the user's homepage. There, you should see the new user added to the list, confirming that the portal user has been created successfully. And that's it. You've now created a portal user in Odoo. As a final tip, always double-check user roles before finishing, especially when working with external access, so each user only sees what they need.